Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make all the radio button the same size using Nitro Pro PDF Reader. This is a available PDF and see this radio button size and all of this now different, and I'll make this similar size, and this middle one I'll make this one and this one. Now select form option and select field and drag your mouse cursor, select all of the radio button. Now put your mouse cursor which one you make similar, and I'll make this one and click right button and select here align option. So and this size, and simply select wide, height, or you can make all of this select both, and see this all of them now same size. Now align, this align option. Here also you will find align option. Align this one as horizontally and see this. Now select hand option and see this. All of this now same size and align perfectly horizontally. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.